Okay, so I'm really bored right now. So I'm gonna go run and get some cinnamon and do the cinnamon challenge. Cause I'm bored as hell. So let me fix this. I'll be back. I'm gonna get cinnamon. Oh my god, I don't get attacked by dogs. Man, I'll be out for the day. Cause I just feel like being an idiot. Bye, I'll be back. Don't you attack the dog. God, chill. Okay. I'm coming back. My dog's upstairs doing something. I don't know what the hell she's doing. So I have to check that. I'm gonna do the cinnamon challenge. And if you see me run to the kitchen, do not be shocked. Ah, I can smell it. Yeah, there's cinnamon. We've had this for like years, so I'm scared. Oh, Brian did that once in the kitchen. She looked like Puff the Magic fucking jacket. It was funny. Since I have coffee in here, I'm not putting as much as she did in her mouth. So, I might make another one with Brian, so. Yeah. I'm gonna hate myself. Ah! I hate myself. Oh shit, go over the keyboard. Oh my god, don't hear it go. Oh shit, go over the keyboard. Ow. Oh. I'm so in fucking pain. Who the hell came up with that? When my mom comes home, there's all she's gonna be like, what the hell happened here? I'm like, send them challenge. Oh. Oh, my eye. Ah. That was a Venom challenge. Yeah. I'm gonna go now. I have to fucking clean up and I have to fucking like clear the hell my dog's in. But this was Alice Dilly. Okay. That was a bad idea, but hey, I was Puff the Magic Dragon. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, well, unicorn. Yeah, maybe I might have a sequel English stuff. Bye.